Today we will learn how to create a Google form and how we can integrate it, the form, all the entries with the Excel sheet. So you need to first go into the Google. So currently I am on the Google page. After that you can see the menu here. Need to click on this menu. So there are two ways to create the Google form. So here you can see the icons of the Google form. For me, the icon is here, so you can find it anywhere on this page. Okay, so let's click it on the form. So here you can see the some options here. Maybe some ready-made templates are also there, so you can check it and check it for your reference. But I will like to create from the scratch, and I would like to learn you how I can create a custom Google form for you. Okay, so let's click on the blank form. So you can write the title of the form, the what's the purpose you are creating this form. For me, let's create it for the registration. Okay, okay, first I would like to take name of the person. So I will write name. So here you can see the options, the multiple choice options, the checkbox, a short answer, the paragraphs, the drop down. So there are multiple type of the formats for the taking answers. So for name we are taking the short answer. Okay, there's one option, this field is required for the users. If yes, then you can enable this option. This is the radio button. Okay, do you feel this is the same field you need? I mean, for the name you need, if this is the first name, then second will be the last name, right? So you can copy paste these same questions with the same all the fields. Now you the third question, you will take your gender. For the gender, you can select a drop down or uh, the multi choice options. Yeah, for the option one, it's male or female. Okay, you can also make it required. Your city, for the city you can select a drop down, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Pune, Chennai, or Delhi. You can add as many as you want in the description. I'm in the list of drop down. All right, so after that you wanted to take any attachment, the video form or the images or something, then upload your photos. So here you can add a file. So you need to give the, I mean, give the permission for the, all the documents that will be linked into the drive. Okay, in the Google Drive. Upload your photos, allow only specific file types. You want any specific file type, then you also get the options. You need a PDF, a video, or image, or audio, something, then you can check required checkboxes. So you can also allow them to maximum number of files they can upload. To here the default options are there, 3, 1, 5, or 10. So I'll select the 5 here, and maximum file size you can select as per your requirement. I'll click select here the 100 MB file. All right, and this will be will mark it required. All right, so also let's see one more options here for the paragraph. Yeah, for example, uh, about you. So here we can take a longer answer. You need to describe what you do, the what experience you have, right? So you need a good length of the answer. So here we will take a paragraph, okay? And we'll also mark the required. Also, yeah, the most of things we took. Yeah, for the date of birth, let's take it a date of birth. Yeah. Then the Google form is ready. You can see the preview of the form. Yeah. So let's select one. I will write my name. I will write my email. I mean my last name. I will select my gender. I will select my city. I will upload my file. Something. I will upload something. Yeah. Hi, I am Sunny and I am a side developer. Thank you. Okay. For example, my date of birth I can take mm, March 11 maybe. So you can see the my answer is submitted, and here the user can, if one person can wanted to, they submit the more than one information or forms, then they can also can do that with this link. So they just need to click on the link. They will be get the one more form here. All right. So you can see the one response here. Okay. So you can see the what what the data is filled up by the user. Also, you need to link this sheet with the Excel. Okay, so you just need to click it over here. This file will be generated. Okay, so you can see the what time I have filled up form. I have submitted the form. That time will be going to capture automatically. So the current time is 9:25, and I 1 minute back I have registered myself on the Google form. All right. So what the details we filled up? My first name is Sunny. The last name is Sunny Shingala. My gender is male. I have selected the city Surat, and I uploaded the one file. So you can see the file attachment over here. Yeah. So I have written about myself something and the date of birth. So everything is completed. Okay. Also, you want. Thank you. So